Abuja Peter Okoye 36 years. Abranche a computer engineer. Efe Ezekiel Jolly 30 years. And na Shadrach Jolly and so 33 years. Na omu nyina Nigerians. But Ghana ha and omote. Peace land. Ashaiman to be precise. And Amranche omote. Now as we speak now, the Tema Regional Police Command akwa chinkofwe. Yesusu se cyber fraud. Any human trafficking. And as Amranche omudi hujuma ewaha. According to the police, on Tuesday, October 7, 2025, and the Zenu Atedeka District Patrol Team enyan ntiye se emrantie miensen ewa shaman atese juma omudi ni se omu bunkofo faso romance scam ibi oye bema kra wadane ne ho oba na tese omu jinkofo sika from abrochi ene efin so omu di nipa efi Nigeria eba Ghana ha asa nkofo no they've subjected them to a whole lot of abuse and some of them so involved in this cyber fraud ekoso enti police for ebomode kopie fie ho na ebro omu koye no Peter Okoye, Shadrach and Ezekiel Jolly police for to meet Amrante. Now according to the police they realized that omu wa dying bia na tese omu den kofo gum and omu ko be dino there were 7 people and omu shed dine mu omu nyina no ya omu computers tese wo hwa dwuma omu dia ne se cyber fraud and Amrante edi hojuma. And during interrogation and police for say Amrante ensui say they were in Nigeria doing their own thing and Peter Okoye and Shadrach and Ezekiel Jolly catch omu say omonya construction job bi e Tema atesa wo hwe sika na ewo mu na very good and just as we all know Nigeria sika no so they to Ghana de no ho a ekwan ye dem no it said the distance between Nigeria and the 2026 World Cup impossible because someone to be unqualified ekwan no wa because 1,000 Ghana cedis is almost 120,000 naira so you can imagine over 10,000 Ghana cedis are sikani e Nigeria na emrantie looking at how a Ghana sika ni mu yedu ene se ne Ghana nkania ni si gina so mo di ye adwuma ni tina mrantie so ebu omu ketem ebepie mu Ghana se omu ba be construction work e Tema na ombedru ya na Peter Okoye ne Ezekiel ne Shadrach omu de sa mrantie ko Peace land e de omu ko share dan bi mu na ho no omu ka kire omu se adwuma omu ba be ye no cyber fraud ibi omu be create account na omu kire omu ha omu ne nkofo e wabruchire be kasa na omu agi sika fi omu ho na sa sika ne ba enumu na omu be ibi de atu omu ka eje construction job e na omu ba be ye according to them wa wo be ye wadwene se nyaade a wo be ye no ye do ko 10 by 12 foot a dine bi mu na a brode ya bubi na ye wi ya jawa to dine enti until say we be make up your mind say wo no omo be sa cyber fraud no edan wo hiem aduane ye pa ne be ma obi ensuo ye pa ne be ma obi omo be make sure so omo be tete what to the extent say one kasa you decide say a failure waje atum na obe ye say adwuma no enti mrantie say koba ne sa no omo san so mo omo swear oath and that is something that the Nigerians omo ko file the over Ghana say bra be bo se bia shawo bra ana be si bra ana se bra na be cyber fraud bia omo be make sure say omo mo swear oath with ensa any nkosua so it is not surprising because that is something that omu use just to prevent you from going back. According to them, on daily basis, omu ye juma, omu supervisor, ono ne wo omu nchen, ebi supervise whatever that they are doing. And for the past 8 months, meaning say February nimu no mbedru Ghana, they've been doing these things behind closed doors. Omu mpie nko bebia until say the Zenu Atedeka District Patrol Team on 7th October around 4 p.m. Eko PM ofie onoma omu chase amrantie. Now according to the police, emrantie nsui, ebro omu kwachi omu na 10 laptops and a wo omu nchen omu and Peter Okoye and Ezekiel and Shadrach and so they were also having some of the laptops into police for adjacent laptops in Nina. And according to them, they had routers, mobile phones, foodstuffs, and in new matches oma buomo almost a honor between the Dijumanti police for Afasani Omanina CCB survey as exhibit as far as this case is concerned. Namranti and Namsoma on Thursday, October 9, 2025, Yedomu Kopiemu da Ashaiman District Court, presided over by his worship Derek Ishen. They are charging Namranti with conspiracy to commit crime, namely human trafficking. As no court, I remanded Peter Okoye, Shadrach, and Ezekiel Jolly into police custody. Say, them now on 23rd October 2025. Omusansu me PM. I was the Ashaiman District Court. Now court and to assembly so. Now the 7 people are police for rescue. Now they are receiving care. Our police for nature say they are working closely with the Ghana Immigration Service just to facilitate the reintegration and repatriation of these 7 people to Nigeria. Now the phones and the computers, the police are saying that it is now with the cyber units at the police headquarters omoye forensic analysis on these mobile phones and laptops. Enti Amrante miensa Peter Okoyi, Shadrach Jolly, and Ezekiel Jolly. Samrante sisi omakwakodem aye on 23rd October 2025. Amrante besanso BPM our court na assembly die no atwaso. Now the simple message our police for one of the two journalists said, if you see something, say something. Mo amunim Nigerians omo wo mu vicinity bi mu akofa nkofo de omo ba sha we bi mu so akofa nkofo de omo abehye dem e de omo eye fraud ne ho keka ho no. But police for amane na mo police ni bi akeke. Just make sure say police ni na obebo na amane no or integrity on fair chain kwa kanche obi say eye wo na obeka kire omo. Eme meje won kwamfiri say very very important. Don't just tell any policeman, but regardless, if you see something, say something. But anybody asem na chi na de be piemu bia na busia, I will update you. Share your thoughts with me in the comment section and follow the page for more. Mediana Citizen, Kwadwo Jr. God bless you.